Ali Khan Maksi has requested for grant of leave from 20th to 27th January. Is leave granted? Granted. Shazia Mari has requested for grant of leave for 16 January 2020. Is leave granted? Granted. Asad Kaisar Sahab has requested for grant of leave for 15 January. Is leave granted? Granted. Azimuddin Zahid Sahab has requested for grant of leave for 20th January. Is leave granted? Granted. Sahibzada Sibkatullah has requested for grant of leave from 21st January till conclusion of the session. Is leave granted? Granted. Anika Mehdi has requested for grant of leave for 20th January. Is leave granted? Granted. Chaudhry Iftikhar Nazir has requested for grant of leave from 15 January till conclusion of the session. Is leave granted? Granted. Sahibzada Muhammad Hamid Raza has requested for grant of leave for 20th and 21st January. Is leave granted? Granted. Sardar Muhammad Yusuf Zaman has requested for grant of leave for 16th and 20th January. Is leave granted? Granted. Dr. Mazin Razak Bhutto has requested for grant of leave from 17th to 21st January. Is leave granted? Granted. Sayyid Wasim Hussain has requested for grant of leave from 16th to 17th January. Is leave granted? Granted. Khwaja Shiraz Mahmood has requested for grant of leave from 15th to 17th January. Is leave granted? Granted. Mahmood Khan Achardai has requested for grant of leave from 21st to 24th January. Is leave granted? Granted. Sanjay Parvani has requested for grant of leave for 23rd and 24th January. Is leave granted? Granted. Farhan Chishti has requested for grant of leave from 17th January till conclusion of the session. Is leave granted? Granted. Chaudhry Tariq Bashir Chima has requested for grant of leave for 21st and 22nd January. Is leave granted? Granted. Shehryar Afridi has requested for grant of leave for 14th, 15th, 17th January. Is leave granted? Granted. Malik Shakir Bashir Awan has requested for grant of leave from 13th to 17th February. Is leave granted? Granted. Sayyid Samiullah has requested for grant of leave from 14th to 22nd January. Is leave granted? Granted. Muhammad Abdul Ghaffar Bhattu has requested for grant of leave from 13th to 20th January. Is leave granted? Granted. Dr. Nikat Shakib Khan has requested for grant of leave for 14th and 15th January. Is leave granted? Granted. Shahid Usman has requested for grant of leave from 15th to 17th January. Is leave granted? Granted. Ihsanul Haq Bajwa has requested for grant of leave from 21st January till conclusion of the session. Is leave granted? Granted. Saad Wasim has requested for grant of leave for 20th, 21st January. Is leave granted? Granted. Keso Mal Khel Das has requested for grant of leave for 16th and 17th January. Is leave granted? Granted. मैं एक अनाउंसमेंट करना चाह रहा हूँ हमारे ऑनरेबल गेस्ट यहाँ तशरीफ रखते हैं. कॉलिंग अटेंशन आसिया नाज तनौली साहिबा.
वज़ीर बराए पार्लिमानी अमूर की तवज्जो अवाम में गहरी तशवीश का बायस बनने वाली फौरी अवामी अहमियत के मामले की जानिब दिलाएंगे जो मर्द और ख़वातीन वोटरों के माबैन मुसलसल पाए जाने वाले सिनफी फ़र्क जिससे इंतखाबी अमल में ख़वातीन की मुकम्मल शराकत मुतासर हो रही है इससे मुताल्लिक़ है.